Sorry, Nana, video cut అయిపోయింది. Now you have to show that determinant of 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square equal to what you have to show that a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Now consider the first part 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. Column contain 3 ones. Column contain 3 ones and you have to apply the row operation. You have to apply the row operation, you can apply. Parallel to you want to get the right side term. What is the right side term you have? A minus b, b minus c, c minus a. A minus b. A is, where is A? First row. Where is B? Second row. So subtract R1 times to R1 minus R2. We get the right side term. R1 times to R1 minus R2. Next, B minus C. Where is the B have? Second row. Where is C? Third row. So R2 times to R2 minus R3. R1 times to R1 minus R2. R2 times to R2 minus R3. So this is the first row is. One row you have to fix it. Any one row you have to fix it. A third row or first row you can fix it. So we get 1 minus 1, R1 minus R2, A minus B, A square minus B square. Next, row 2 times row 2 minus row 1 minus 1, B minus C, B square minus C square. Remaining 1, C, C square. So 1 minus 1 you have 0, A minus B. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. 0. B minus C, B square minus C square minus B minus C into B plus C. 1 C, C square. In the first row, what is the common letter? A minus B. So A minus B common. Remaining 0, 1, A plus B. In the second row, common letter is B minus C. So B minus C common. 0, 1, B plus C. 1 C, C square. If the column contain 3 ones, column contain the 3 ones. So column contain the 2 zeros and 1 1. 2 zeros 1 ఉంటే corresponding row ని column ని తీసేసేయండి. Remaining elements you have to find the determinant. 1 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ 2 zeros 1 ఉంది. So third row first element 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి you can delete the first column and third row. So remaining what will get? A minus B into B minus C. Remaining element determinant 1 A plus B, 1 B plus C. You have to find the determinant, that is A minus B into B minus C into determinant B plus C minus of A plus B. So this is A minus B into B minus C into B plus C minus A minus B. B get cancelled, C minus A is the answer. A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. This is the answer. Copy it. Coming to next question. Show that data 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. What you have to show that? A minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ab plus bc plus ca. Consider the LHS part. Data 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. You can do it. Now the column contains 3 ones. Column row you have 3 ones. So you can make the row operation. You have to make the row operation parallel to right side term you want to get. Right side what is there? A minus B have, next B minus C, next A minus C. A minus B means from the A you can subtract the B. So R1 tends to R1 minus R2. Next B minus C want to get. That means R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. So don't you can apply row operation or column operation between only two. Only you have to apply either R1 R2 or R2 R3 or R1 R3. So you have to fix it one row. Don't apply at a time 3 rows. At a time 3 rows ki apply cheyadandi row operation gaani column operation gaani. Okay na, any 2 rows gaani any 2 columns ki apply cheyandi. Now what is written? R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1. Next A square minus B square. Next AQ minus BQ. Next 1 minus 1. B square minus C square. Next BQ minus CQ. Third row same, 1 C square CQ. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. A square minus B square can be written as A minus B into A plus B. AQ minus BQ can be written as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. AQ minus BQ can be written as, what is the formula of AQ minus BQ? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now 1 minus 1 0. B square minus C square is B minus C into B plus C. BQ minus CQ can be written as B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. Remaining 1 C square CQ. Now what is the common letter in the first row? A minus B. Second row common letter is B minus C. In the first row A minus B common. In the first row A minus B common. So remaining 0 A plus B. A square plus AB plus B square. Second row B minus C common. 0. Remaining B plus C. Here B square plus BC plus C square. 1 C square C cube in the third. Okay. Now coming to A minus B got it, B minus C got it. A minus B వచ్చిందండి, B minus C వచ్చింది. తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుందన్నా? C minus A. C minus A రావాలి. Where is the C? In the second row. A is the first row. Subtract R2 tends to R2 minus R1 you have to apply. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. Then this becomes A minus B into B minus C. First row 0. First row and third row same nana. Third row 1 C square C cube. See this one. Equal to A minus B into B minus C. First row is 0. A plus B. A square plus AB plus B square. Next G1 C square C cube. Now you are changing the R2. R2 you written the R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 means 0 minus 0 0. Next B plus C minus of A plus B. B plus C minus of A plus B. Here B square plus BC plus C square. B square plus BC plus C square. Minus of R1 means A square plus AB plus B square. Minus of A square plus AB plus B square. You can apply this minus inside. Minus into place minus A, minus into place minus B. So this becomes a B plus C minus A minus B. Here we will get minus you have to apply inside, minus A square minus AB minus B square. So B square finally we will get B square BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus B square. Now plus B get cancelled. B square cancel. B square you have to cancel it. So this is the finally we will get A minus B into B minus C into 0 A plus B A square plus AB plus B square 0 C minus A. C C square minus A square can as C plus A into C minus A. That is C minus A into C plus A. Plus in the remaining term, what is the common letter in the BC and AB? Very good. Plus B have the common. Plus B you can take common. Remaining C minus A. Okay, Nana? 1 C square C cube. Now in the second row, what is the common letter we have? C minus A. So A minus B into B minus C into C minus A you have to take common. Remaining what is there? 0 A plus B, A square plus AB plus B square. In the second row, C minus A taken outside, 0 1. Remaining here C plus A plus B. Next 1 C square C cube. Now observe the first column. You have 2 zeros and 1 1 is there. So corresponding one place column and row you can delete. Remaining element you have to find the determinant. That is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Remaining elements, what are the remaining elements here? A plus B, A square plus AB plus B square, 1 A plus B plus C. Now you can find the determinant. AD minus BC, that is the A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Remaining element determinant A plus B into A plus B plus C minus of A square plus AB plus B square. Apply the multiply and expand it. Multiply and expand it. We get A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. You have to multiply A into A square, A into B AB, A into C AC plus B into A AB plus B square plus BC minus A square minus AB minus B square minus apply inside, open the bracket. Now A square B square cancel plus AB minus AB get cancel. What is the remaining have? AB plus BC plus AC, that is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus BC plus AC is the answer. Copy it. This is a little bit important problem and lengthy problem. You get the difficult equation. A cube minus B cube formula తెలియాలి and subtraction తెలియాలి. ఈ స్టెప్ లో లిటిల్ బిట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది, అప్లై చేయండి. Do it. పాజ్ బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేసి సొల్యూషన్ కాపీ చేసుకున్నానా, దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ గివెన్ టైం. Coming next question, you have to show the determinant of A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube equal to A, B, C into A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. That is you have to show that. Consider the LHS A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube. What is the first column common element? First column లో కామన్ గా ఏముందండి? A ఉంది. A కామన్ తీయండి అన్న. A comes as 1 A square. Second column what is the common letter? B. Then 1 B square. What is third column common letter? C. 1 C square. So row లో 3 ones ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి you can make the column operation. row లో 3 ones ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏం అప్లై చేయాలా? కాలమ్ ఆపరేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలా. parallel to right side value రావాలా. రైట్ సైడ్ లో ఏముంది? A minus B, B minus C ఉంది. From the A you can subtract B. So C1 tends to C1 minus C2. C1 నుంచి C2 తీసేసేయండి. 1 minus 1 0. A minus B, A square minus B square వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ C2 tends to C2 minus C3 చేయండి. B minus C వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఆపరేషన్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై టు ఎనీ 2 rows ఆర్ ఎనీ 2 columns కి అప్లై చేయండి, కానీ ఎట్ ఎ టైం 3 rows కి 3 columns కి అప్లై చేయొద్దు. సో ABC A into B into C that of C1 minus C2, 1 minus 1, A minus B, A square minus B square. Next, C2 tends to C2 minus C3, 1 minus 1, B minus C, B square minus C square. Next, 1 C, C square. So this is the ABC into 0, 0, 1. A minus B, B minus C, C. A square minus B square terminals A minus B into A plus B. B square minus C square terminals B minus C into B plus C, C square. In the first column, what is the common here? A minus B is it. Second column, what is the common here? B minus C. So first column lo A minus B common cheyandi. That equal to ABC. A minus B common say A minus B into remaining. What is the remaining in the first column? 0, 1, A plus B. Second column common ఏంటన్నా B minus C. B minus C common ఏంటి అప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత 0, 1, B plus C. Next 1 C, C square. Now coming to you can observe the first row. 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి 1 ఉంది. 1 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఫస్ట్ రో థర్డ్ కాలంలో ఉంది. సో ఫస్ట్ రో థర్డ్ కాలం తీసేసేయండి. రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ డిటర్మినెంట్ కనుక్కోండి, ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ABC into A minus B into B minus C. Determinant of 1, 1, A plus B, B plus C. చేయండి అని ఇప్పుడు డిటర్మిన్ చేయండి. ఎంత వస్తుంది? దట్ ఈజ్ ABC, A minus B, B minus C. The of A, B, C, D is AD minus BC, B plus C into 1 into B plus C, B plus C minus of A plus B. So that is ABC into A minus B into B minus C into B plus C minus A minus B. B get cancelled. What is the remaining here? ABC, A minus B, B minus C into C minus A is the answer. Copy it. For today last follow nana. Now coming to determinant of y plus z x x y z plus x y z z x plus y equal to what you have to show that 4xyz, 4 times of xyz you have to show that. So for this problem you can apply the r1 times. I will make this element as 0. ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ ని 0 చేయాలంటే ఈ 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ సపరేట్ చేయాలి. సో r1 tends to r1 minus r2 minus r3 apply చేస్తున్నాం. So we get y plus z minus y minus z x minus of z plus x and minus z minus x minus z x minus of z minus x minus z. The x minus y minus of x plus y minus చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి x minus of z plus x, that means minus z minus x minus z. X minus y minus of x plus y and minus x minus y. Remaining 2 rows are same. Now common cancellation చూడండి. y get cancel, z cancel 0, x's cancel minus 2z, x's cancel minus 2y. Next y z plus x y z z x plus y. What is the common letter in the first row? Minus 2. Minus 2 common తీయండి. 0 z y y z plus x y z z x plus y. ఓకేనా? నౌ దిస్ ఎలిమెంట్లో z ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తున్నాను అంటే r2 మైనస్ r1 చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ గెట్ y x వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ y మైనస్ y 0 అవుతుంది. అలానే r3 టైమ్స్ r3 మైనస్ r1 చేస్తే z మైనస్ z 0, x ప్లస్ y మైనస్ y చేస్తే x వస్తుంది. సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్ అయిపోతుంది. సమ్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ కాస్త సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్ ని కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో r2 టెన్స్ టు r2 మైనస్ r1 అండ్ r3 టెన్స్ టు r3 మైనస్ r1 అప్లై చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ minus 2. First row is same. What is the first row? You have 0 z y. Next, second row tends to second row becomes the second row minus first row. Y minus 0 y, z plus x minus z, z plus x minus z, z cancel అయితే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉంటుందండి ఇక్కడ x. డైరెక్ట్గా రాస్తానన్న x ఉంటుంది రిమైనింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ y minus y 0. అలాగే r3 నుంచి r3 minus r1 కదా, z minus 0 z, z minus z 0, x plus y minus y, y cancel అయితే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత x, y cancel అయితే రిమైనింగ్ x. So this is the x ఉంటుంది రిమైనింగ్. Now you have to find the determinant directly. Minus 2 into చూడండి 0 into something, 0 into x square minus 0 minus z into closer column చేసినప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత determinant z minus z into close the first row and second column. What is the remaining determinant? X into y. Remaining determinant is x into y, xy minus 0 plus y into close the first row third column. First row third column close చేయండి. Remaining determinant ఎంత 0, y into 0 0 minus xz, 0 minus xz. So simplify చేస్తే minus 2 into 0 into something 0 minus xyz minus xyz minus xyz minus xyz minus 2xyz minus 2 into minus 2xyz minus in the minus plus 4xyz is the answer. Copy it. Today I will close the class now. Everyone watch the YouTube class compulsory. Every 2 days I will conduct the Zoom class. Before conducting the Zoom class, I will inform to you. Okay, na? Copy it.